Hello, good morning students. Now in module number 5th, we will discuss about elastic potential energy of stressed wire. Elastic potential energy of stressed wire. Let us consider a wire. One end is fixed with a rigid force. Let us consider a wire. One end is fixed with a rigid support. L be the length of the wire and A be the cross sectional area. If F be the stretching force applied on the body, when wire is stretched, then work done against internal restoring force stretched in the form of potential energy. This potential energy is called elastic potential energy of stretched wire. Let this wire is stretched to a length delta. F will be the force applied on the body. This force applied against internal restoring force. The internal restoring force restore. Work done against internal restoring force is stored in the form of elastic potential energy of wire. So elastic potential energy of stretched wire, when a wire is stretched, work done against internal restoring force stored in the form of potential energy called elastic potential energy. Average force. Average internal restoring force. That is equal to 0 plus F. 0 means at a time P is equal to 0, internal restoring force that is equal to 0, it means no applied force. After time delta T, the internal restoring force is maximum value, and 0 plus F divided by 2, that is equal to average internal restoring force. Work done, small amount of work done. Work done that is equal to W, that is F into delta. F that is equal to F by 2 into delta. Now multiplying and dividing by AL, equation number 10. AL. Therefore, W that is equal to 1 by 2 F into delta L divided by A into L into AL. As we know, force divided by cross sectional area, F divided by A, stress delta L upon L, change in length upon original length, strain. Therefore A into L, volume. This can be written as 1 by 2 stress into strain into volume. This is stored in, this work done is stored in internal, this work done is stored in the form of elastic potential energy U. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 stress into strain divided by U divided by volume, that is equal to U, elastic potential energy per unit volume. This can be written as Young modulus, that is stress divided by strain. So Y into strain, that is equal to stress. Therefore U, that is equal to 1 by 2 Y Young modulus into strain का square, that is elastic potential energy of a stressed wire in a spring. Next one is applications of elasticity. Applications. Applications. As we know, metallic part of the machinery are never subjected to stress beyond the limit. Otherwise, due to wear and tear, metallic part of machinery are deformed and they will be damaged. Metallic parts of machinery are never subjected to load beyond elastic limit. Second, to find height of a mountain, to find height of a mountain on the earth by the concept of elasticity of earth. By the concept of elasticity of earth. Third application is in designing bridge. Applications of elasticity is used. Applications of elasticity is used. Fourth, that is last, a solid shaft in comparison to hollow shaft. Hollow shaft is more stronger than solid shaft. Hollow shaft is more stronger than solid shaft. Now, first chapter, mechanical property of solid, is finished. Thank you. Have a nice day.